Hello, boys and girls. As you can see, we have some letters on the board. We have our sentence strip, and of course we have our red dots where we're writing. So today you guys have a cursive writing paper. You're going to write your cursive W's, your cursive F, and your cursive S. And I'm going to show you guys how to do those up here. But the thing is, I don't want you to write them on your paper. Okay? Sometimes our papers get a little bit boring, and that's okay. So I want you guys to find a new way to write your letters. You can write them outside on the sidewalk in chalk. You can paint them, write them with markers or colored pencils. Maybe you've got some shaving cream around the house that you can put on the table and write your letters in. But I'm going to show you on this board right here how we're going to write our letters. So our cursive W. Okay, this is what our regular W looks like, but we're going to write a cursive W. Remember, you always put your pencil on the red dot. So our W has 1, 2 bumps. Okay, but for our cursive W, we're going to start at the red dot, and we're going to curve around and up to the dotted line. We're going to go down to the red carpet, back to the dotted line, down to the red carpet, back to the dotted line, and give it a tail. Beautiful. All right. So the only difference is he has 2 tails. The cursive W has 2 tails. 1, 2. Our regular W doesn't have any tails. Okay, and our cursive F. Here's our regular F. Now this one was a little bit tricky the last time we did it, but that's okay. That's why we're going to practice. Let me move this guy down here. He's going to be in the way. Okay. So we start on the red dot. Now for this one, we're going to go all the way to the blue ceiling, make a loop and come down, make a loop under the red carpet, come back up and give it a tail. So watch closely. We're going to go up to the blue ceiling. We're going to loop back down and touch the red dot. Down to the basement and loop. Go back to the red dot and give it a tail. That's a big one. But you guys can do it. You can look at your papers. Take your papers outside with you if you're going to draw it in chalk. And just draw your letters on the sidewalk. Okay? And then our cursive S. Remember we said he looks like a little bird. So we're going to start on the red dot, curve up to the dotted line. We're going to go out and give him a big fat belly, come back in, go back out, and give him a tail. Remember, we said he looks like a little fat bird. There you go. So I want you guys to do the front and back of your cursive paper, but I don't want you to do it on your paper. I want you to find another fun way to do it. Okay, write it outside in chalk. Take an ice cube and write it on the sidewalk. And that way you'll be able to see it in the water. That would be cool. Okay, so let me see your fun ways of doing your cursive writing paper.